The benefits of writing every day. Writing. Such a beautiful act. Writing is one of those skills you want to practice daily. Why? I have enough on my plate. And writing will alleviate that. As the information age rises, attention spans will drop. A reduced attention span will lead to chaotic thinking and loss of focus. Chaotic mind leads to chaotic emotions. Chaotic emotions lead to chaotic behaviors. Writing daily is more important than ever. If you're someone who has integrated technology into your life, then writing is no longer an option. It's a must. Writing is active meditation. It grounds you. Benefits include clear thinking, clarified speaking skills, less rambling, enhanced focus. One benefit often not discussed is the ability to connect dots. It's difficult to connect the dots from the past through reflection alone. Why? Because many of us can't control our mind. A person who cannot focus will find it difficult to reflect. When they try reflecting, they'll drift off. That's when reflecting turns into dwelling. Dwelling can lead to getting caught up in past mistakes and what-if scenarios from memory lane. That's why people like to distract themselves. When you can't control the mind, you're scared to be alone with it. Writing changes up the game. Writing turns a passive task into an active one. When you're forced to come to terms with your experiences, that's when you see clearer images than when you viewed them from afar. Seeing clearer images makes it much easier to connect the dots. That's when ideas begin to build upon one another. Make peace with your past so you can have clarity for the present or future. Habits pick up a life of its own and begin to connect to other habits. Want to become a creative monster? Then write every day for 7 months. Use Twitter for some good. Rather than retweeting pictures of weed and porn, write out one valuable tweet a day. Build an email list for fun, promote it on social media, and write to it consistently. Start a blog. If you don't want to do any of that, then a pen and paper never hurts. Soon, you'll think of ideas, and very valuable ones at that, much quicker than your peers, and begin to see patterns when others see isolated acts. Writing builds street smarts. There are few acts like it.